Mic check, mic check. Here we go. I might take RUT. This is at a double bottom almost. So I could probably put a credit spread here. See if that one is a good trade. Past the 14 open. Beyond the 14 close. On the longer term trend for so sort of filled the gap on IWM. Let's see. See, I want to take this trade here. We have a double bottom. Just want to see if this holds support. Let's see. I like this trade with small caps, honestly. I might take that. It's just I'm buying a declining, a stock that's been on decline, that's been gapping down. It could really be a short, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to play that. SPY looks good. What are we, 30 minutes into the market? And we have this bull case. My thing is we just filled the gap. However, right, there's a lot of resistance up here. A lot of resistance up here. IWM looks good because right here we're at a double bottom. So this will be a good time to take a credit spread. I just need like confirmation to take the trade. Right now, like it's bottoming out. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Clearly, a lot of sellers in this market. My thing with Qs is we probably and SPY see how we gap down and then we just like take a look at this 30-minute. This was the close yesterday and we just filled the gap. Let's see how we react to it, right? Because we have to realize the last couple of days has been a lot of buying, and the buying started on Monday after we gapped up. We already gapped up like 3%, right? So how much more pressure do the bulls have? And you see these candles, they're The real bodies are small, they're dojis, right? And then we had this bearish engulfing candle here. I don't know, because we're still on the uptrend. So I think it's just a wait and see type of day, right? If I already entered, I would have been in real pain. This will probably be a trade if I want to, you know, if I want to take it to the upside. But I think just be careful trading today. Even if I look at the moving averages, let's just look at one chart. See, INW could be a short, right, to fill some of this gap, but this is the first retest of that bottom. And I think for the first retest, it might be bought up, which is why I want to do a put credit spread. But you see how the market is dropping. See, INW can potentially be a short. Going short on support is just not good. Like, you can't do that. So I'm not going to do that. Fuck it. It's a wait and see type of day. Even if I look at the moving averages, I bet you it'll all be flat, right? Let me take a look at, yeah, INW's gone. INW's gone. And we've been gapping down. This is a tough trade, honestly. Like, these are tough trades right now, right? Anybody who bought hair just got smoked. They're getting smoked out. Look, let me go to a chart. This might think or swim slow. I gotta restart this shit. I got two people in here. Right, like, look at these moving averages. Right, look at this chart right here where my mouse is circling. Moving averages have no direction. It's just a straight line. In a way, it's just like consolidation, right? So with consolidation, there's a couple ways to play consolidation. You buy on support and you just sell on resistance, right? Sort of like what we did yesterday. The market will show us clear support and resistance levels. It's just gonna be like it's gonna be on us to take the trade, right? But I don't know. This is like, if price comes around here, potentially take a long trade. Q's probably looks better than everything else. Let's go to 3. And that's the thing, right? A lot of trading is just wait and see, right? Analyze the market, wait and see. This is what we just did. After pre-market got slaughtered. Sellers, and then we just sort of making our ways back up. But this is a wait and see type of day. I don't want to rush this type of day. Look at the MACD. See, MACD's above, but if the bulls win this war, then I'll take a trade. But right now, it's just still wait and see. Don't want to rush. Be patient. Truthful out. See, INW is going down. That probably could have been the trade, but the thing about INW is, yeah, this was a gap and go. Is that we're on support. So even that trade, I don't know about taking. This might be one of those put on a movie type of days. Or I could read. I might read in a bit. Let's see the overall market. Let's see the macro market, actually. My thinkorswim is acting real slow. See, INW's falling. This could have been the trade, but it's on support. It has so much gap to be filled, though, right? Like, I just don't think that's a good trade. Because if I start to short and then we bounce, I'm probably gonna check. I'll definitely check. Well, I'm definitely gonna check how we end up on the day, but like I think we bounce here. My conviction isn't enough to take a trade though. Qs is just the same thing. Spy is the same thing. We had this piercing candle and then new highs. Honestly, let's see the overall market because we could probably take a long trade here. Um, this is really risky. Honestly, I'm not even gonna do it because it, like, if you look at the market, there's no clear direction. There's no clear direction. Spy has a little bit of clear direction, but even that, right? Like, it's weak. I'm not taking no fucking weak trades. Wait and see. Look at Tesla dropping, Amazon dropping. Netflix is the only one that's up. I mean, come on, like, look at the market. Look at the market. Clearly, if anything, this is a call credit spread type of day, right? This market's gonna show me clear trades, and I'm just gonna have to be able to take them. I don't fuck with. You can see my whole fucking house in my background. Don't fuck with that at all. No need to force the trade. No need at all. Forecast Mag 7 plus. Look at Tesla. Jesus Christ. JP Morgan. Jesus Christ. Fucking earnings or something? Oh, wow. I sold around here. JP Morgan's going down. Tesla. I mean, look at the market. Meta. All right, like all these things are going down. Meta's a short. Amazon is about to fill the gap. Google's trying. AMD's trying. Coinbase getting slaughtered. Getting absolutely slaughtered. Coinbase is a short. JP Morgan. Wow, that's a short. Apple, that looks okay. Tesla. Nah, this market isn't looking too hot right now. Meta's looking like a short. Meta and Coinbase are looking like shorts. Let's take a look at them. Two chart extended. Yeah, root is like, and that's the thing, right? Like, sometimes you bounce on support, sometimes you don't. Taking this trade in Qs, perhaps this was to fill the gap, and now we're gonna go low. We probably will, but if the market continues to go low, I'll just continue to go short. Coinbase is just getting dumped, fucking dumped. This is a huge gap. This is a huge gap. I'll probably wait for a retracement with Coinbase. Look at that. I should have held that previous trade from yesterday, but it's okay. Respond to my boy. I miss my boy. Market, honestly, like, not good, bro. Not good. It just don't look good. The market just don't look good right now. It just don't look tradable. Right? If it's volume, you know. RUT. Well, that's good. Look at SPY. Two hammers. Two noms on my back, one sap, nigga. You probably take the better. Look at this though. It's just support and resistance, right? It's just support and resistance. Engulfing candle and on support. I think I might take that. I might take a credit spread on root. Put credit spread 70. I mean, you just don't get you really just don't get good returns with that shit. Selling a fucking 37 Delta? Are you fucking mad? Hell no. Hell no. Nigga, I'd rather do a debit spread than do that. In the money debit spread, like bottoming out. If we get this trend line break, that's when I'll do it, right? Which we definitely get in after that bullish engulfing. Fuck no. I mean, you really just don't get good. Like, you don't get good premium here. I'm selling a 34 Delta and you're giving me that? For 110, kill yourself. I'm not doing that. Fuck no. Fuck no. For 34 Delta, fuck no. This is a trend line break. Right? And this was a engulfing pattern. I really just don't see why I can't get a good price. You know. And I don't think, I'm not gonna trade that. You're going against the trend. It's just consolidation. Like, this is where you never go trade it. No need adding risk when the market doesn't even know what it's gonna do. I'll take a look at the American sectors. See what's up there. Staples going up. Jeez, utilities going up. XLI, XLK, XLF. Probably a double top in XLF. Communications breaking out. Materials on support. He said, be patient. Truth will out. He said, shoe fly, don't bother me. Shoe fly, don't bother me. What messages? Shoe fly, don't bother me. 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 Shoe fly, don't bother me.
Not sure if you listen to the group chat, but God was like, "You gonna get disciplined today." So I just did a small trade on my watch list. I'm trading in a way where it's only the money I actually have. So in reality, I would have afforded the 240 put contract on United Health. So I pulled out, and that's 120 for the day. So I'm up like what 280 in 2 days. So I think I'm gonna do this for like another week and just like really discipline myself, bro. And then maybe the week after next week, I'm gonna start trading again.
Shoe fly, don't mind me. Shoe fly, don't mind me. Yikes. I'm not gonna. Do I take that RUT trade? It's on support. Honestly, I think I do take that trade. So I'm going to take the first trade of RUT. Let's sell 6 contracts. So I'm in one trade with RUT, basically buying the double support. My break even is around 2068. Let's see how this trade goes. Right here, we have this engulfing candle on support. No volume, which is the only thing, but we do have this trend line break. So if we do hold, which we'll just have to wait and see, we'll see. But let's see how this trade goes. I'm not going to say it's the most beautiful position I have, but I like that we have the higher time frame set up on IWM, right? And then I have some cushion. Shoe fly, don't bother me. My boy Mike said he gonna pull up. We made that double bottom, not double bottom. It's not even on good volume, so and we gap down. Just gotta be careful. He said, "Be careful." And spying them. I don't know if that one's looking any better. Small caps ain't looking that good. It's not. I think it is down the most. Well, if we make a new low, we could sell the trade and get out of it. Do we let it mature? You pray that buyers are here, but all you do is pray. Q's looks a little better. No, it don't. Honestly, these shits don't look good at all. I'm in RUT for buying the support, but if we start making new lows, get me out that trade. And I'll definitely leave that trade. Cause maybe I could just be way too early. Like even with Spire, right? We just had this top line trend line break. And then piercing pattern, continuation, piercing pattern, doji, you know. Hammer. I mean, nah, that's not good. That's not looking good at all. And RUT is just like, if you don't get the good premiums, you ain't gonna be looking too good. So let's see where price takes it. But I might have to sell that trade. I'm definitely gonna sell that trade. Take the loss if we don't bounce, but I have a lot of cushion, like 3 more points, but I'm not taking that shit to 50 delta. I mean, I guess like this is, I guess like, you know, we just had in Q's 3 days of massive buying. You know, SPY, couple days of buying. I guess like because yesterday we had consolidation. Today, INW is just dropping. I don't know why I'm long this. Bounce on support, please. But yeah, it's just consolidating right now. I think the afternoon is gonna be, we'll probably have some better setups, but right now, if we just analyze what we're seeing, it's chop. Like trading this, you get chopped up, right? If you went long over here, you're already lost money. If you went short over here, you might win money, but if you went short over here, you're down. My trader right now, IWM, is looking like it's not going to bounce because I bought this right here, reversal, and we have support. I just really hope we hold support. If we don't hold it, just take the loss. Don't make a good week a bad week. I'll just take the loss. And she's going down. SPY will probably give us some time to buy. It might give us, you know, some buying opportunities, but let's see. Ugh, I'm disgusted with this trade. I might just take the loss. I told myself I want to do that, but, you know, it's like you're buying a fucking downtrend. It's like you're buying a fucking knife, and then I took the trade. Of course I lost money. The trend line break didn't hold, and we just made new lows. I gotta take the loss. That was such a bad trade, though. I don't know why I did that. Could we bounce on support, please, nigga? God damn. Like, come on. It's just not good. It's just not good. Even to go long, right? It says, how the fuck do you trade that? The market gives you lousy fucking days, and you just gotta be patient. But me looking at it doesn't fucking make it better. Just fucking staring at the market. If IWM doesn't bounce, we're in fucking trouble. Because we'll continue to fill the gap, and I'm in trouble. I gotta sell for a loss. No, don't do it. I'll wait for a little jump up before I sell. But there's no fucking support here. Fucking small caps. Ugh. I knew I shouldn't have taken that trade. That was such a poor fucking trade. I'll wait for the market till we see some new fucking buyers before I sell. Roots at 270. Like, that's a bad fucking trade. It's not a bad trade, I guess. I had the trend line break, and I was on support. Sometimes the market doesn't go your way. It's not a bad trade. You just take the loss. but we're still in support, so I'm gonna hold. SPY holding this level. Nice on SPY. Good job on SPY holding this level. Could potentially go long right now. Could potentially go long if we hold that level. Is that a good risk to reward trade? It's not bad. I might take this long on SPY if we show signs of bounce. It looks like we're gonna bounce. I'm gonna take a long. I won't go too. I'm not gonna put too much size on because this market is a fucking jugular.